Okay, well, I've taught life drawing or figure drawing, but I call it life drawing here at BYU for a number of years, and I'd like to say a few things about just a general approach. We have, at least in the illustration program, a more traditional approach to the model, that meaning representational or realistic. The notion of working with a traditional approach is a long-standing one. It's not something that just developed in recent times. You could go back to ancient Greece if you wanted to talk about proportions. Even ancient Egypt talked about notions of proportions and relationships. Partly that's an attempt to idealize things, partly it's a way to understand something that's quite complex and break it down into something that's more understandable. So the tradition of life drawing deals with standards and sometimes canons, we call them, of relationships. One that we use in Western civilization